For the repair of Daihatsu oil mist detector, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we used 24-volt DC power supply and a smoke tester. We observed that, after applying the smoke tester, the alarm is activated. We then perform the auto test, and the unit responds correctly throughout all test procedures. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the Daihatsu oil mist detector is working successfully and it is ready to be delivered to the client.